with Leni Robredo, nararamdaman ko na she's really going to be there to serve the people. I felt this woman, ine-embody niya what I aspire to be. Motherhood, yung pagiging mabuting nanay really mattered because I know that a good mother will be a good leader. I saw so many qualities in her that I wish I had. Nagtrabaho siya, pero hindi for personal gain. Nagtrabaho siya to make sure na okay yung mga anak niya. At magtatrabaho siya para siguraduhin na yung napakalaking populasyon ng Pilipinas na kabataan ngayon, maaalagaan dahil tutulungan niya yung mga nanay. She was married to a selfless man who is revered in public service. Hindi niya gagawin na mapahiya siya sa memory ng asawa niya. And more importantly than that, our situation is different, but we are both single parents. At alam mo na ikaw lang ang maaasahan ng mga anak mo. Gagawin mong lahat to make sure talaga na maging mabuti ang buhay ng mga anak mo. At kitang-kita ko yun sa kanya. She walked the walk. Hindi mga sound bites, yung mga tutulungan ko mahirap and all, kasi ginawa niya talaga May mga tao palang ganyan, na pwede palang pasukin talaga ang isang bagay not to enrich themselves. Nag-lawyer ka, pero hindi mo naging goal to work for a big law firm and earn millions. So parang sabi ko, nakakabilib. Habang may boses ako, habang may makikinig sa akin at may following, I better give that voice to someone that I believe in, na I really, really believe in.